today we got a dumper that is, I said it's running pretty bad. I mean, I can hear it. Jeez. Why would you put that much toilet paper in there, man? I can't flush that. I can't flush it. First things first, we're gonna have to handle the old TP. But yeah, that thing's running pretty bad. Should be a simple fix. Dude, I can't, that might clog it up. I'm not even gonna deal with it. You can call the Dirty Maintenance Show for nothing. Alright, we'll turn the water off and check the flapper. Yeah, man, that seemed like a lot of toilet paper. I didn't want to flush it and be dealing with a clogger. And the old flapper looks pretty good. It's not warped or anything. So, we got some other issues. I'm going to just set the flapper in there for now and see if this fill valve is shutting off. It's one of the old rusty ball cocks. I swear, if I come out of retirement and go back in the music business, my stage name is going to be Rusty Ballcock. I promise you guys. Let's see what's going on here. Maybe it's filling up too high? No? Yeah, this old fill valve's had it. Yeah, it's still filling up and it's overflowing and going into the flush valve. So I gotta get old Rusty Ballcock out of here. Yeah, this fill valve isn't shutting it down, so it's overflowing and going into the flush valve and then running down into the toilet. You can see the movement there. I mean, I could adjust the water level. I could, but I mean, come on, this thing has seen its day. So I'm gonna put a new one in there. Easy fix. I cut the bottom off of chlorine buckets when I'm done with them. They make good water catch plumbing buckets. All right, the water is off. The supply line still looks in good shape. The old gasket in there still looks good. Sometimes I'll replace those too if they look bad. That one doesn't look bad. Boy, whoever put these things in did them tight. And they're hard to get off. I'll press down on the fill valve. Press down on it from the top. And it makes it easier. Here's my new one. I'm gonna put an old Fluid Master back in there. That's all we can get. I just put in what they tell me to get. I know there's better ones. I've seen better ones on YouTube. I like those yellow ones that Steve Lapp puts in. But I put in what they want me to put in. It's a nice easy fix. I like to make videos for the new guys as well. I got a lot of new guys that are just starting out. So I'll make videos from them too. All my repairs aren't glory repairs. My day consists mostly of this stuff. All right. Tighten her down. Once again, I'm pressing down on top of the new one with my left hand. Not too much, but put a little pressure from the top. There we go. Give this a little quarter turn. Don't get too crazy with that. All right, brand new fill valve. Flapper looked good, supply line looked good. All right, this will be the 5th flush. Everything's looking good, no leaks. Alright, the dumper is no longer running. It's good to go. Easy fix for you new guys. Now y'all can get down on some running toilet work orders. Alright, thank you for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.
Tell our stories to rest my silence and wash wounded years away. I'm from around town every chance I get. Now I'm living and dying with the choices I made.